Hey there, I'm Julian, and today we want to compare Lovable and Claude Code. A lot of people here on my channel have asked me this question, hey Julian, what's the difference between the two? And therefore I made this video. But before we start, really important, if you want to sign up for Lovable or Claude Code, you will find my partner link down in the video description. It will allow you to sign up for free, and at the same time you're helping me and my channel, so thank you a lot if you're using my link. And normally in these comparison videos, I just give the app builder a prompt and they start building it side by side. But here it doesn't really make sense because the tools are fundamentally different. So Lovable is a no-code app builder and it lives on the web, and Claude Code is more like an AI companion helping you to code on your local machine. So I made a couple of slides for this. So Lovable is an AI app builder that turns a natural language prompt into a live app, and it runs on your browser and manages hosting, authentication and the database setup for you. Built for non-coders, entrepreneurs who want to go from idea to working app fast, and you don't need to know how to code. And Claude Code, on the other hand, is an AI coding agent built from Anthropic, and it's made for developers who want an AI pair programmer that writes and edits code for them, and it runs on your own local machine and works inside your code base and has full access to your file system. So that is very different. To visualize this, I made a quick graphic here. So Lovable, if you have an idea, you can just talk to Lovable in plain English, like in this prompt field here, like you would do to ChatGPT or Gemini, and then Lovable builds everything for you. The database, the code, the UI design, the user interface, and even gives you a dummy domain to publish the app or website you're building. So you basically just need an idea and Lovable, and then you can have an app or a live website. Claude Code, on the other hand, is much more difficult to set up because, of course, you need an idea. Then you can just download Claude Code to your Mac, for example, but then you also need a Visual Studio, your terminal, Git, GitHub, and Vercel to put your app live. And I will explain you this in a minute, what this is. So first we need like a Visual Studio, which is like also called an integrated development environment. And people use this for writing code. So it basically looks like this. It's like a program where you can edit your code. On the left, you have your files, and on the right, you have your code. Programmer will know this because they work daily with this stuff. And then you need a terminal in order to run your code and see if it's working. And then you need Git to save and store your code online. And GitHub is for your version control, so other people can also work with your code. So if you don't know GitHub and never heard of it, you probably are more a Lovable customer because this is for non-coders and non-developers. And GitHub is like a system every developer will know because this is the cloud where you store your code and other people from your team can work with this. And yeah, I have made a comparison here. So Claude Code writes your code. It is an AI agent helping you. The Visual Studio shows your code, so you can also work on the code. The terminal runs your code, so you can see if it's working. Git saves every change to your code. So when you change something in your code, it gets saved in Git. And GitHub stores your code online. So you have a version control, so version 1, version 2 of your app, and other people can work with this. And Vercel puts your app live to the web, so your customer can interact with this. And Vercel is also like a software, and it helps you ship the app to the internet. And sometimes, of course, if you have data, you also need a database. Then, for example, people use Supabase to store the app and the customer data which is put in. So yeah, that's the main difference between Lovable and Claude Code. Lovable is like a full integrated system where you have everything. You can access also the code. It gets stored in the cloud and you will get a custom domain, and Lovable also ships your code for you. And Claude Code is more like the AI component for you writing code, but you still need the entire development environment, like a Visual Studio editor, like the terminal, GitHub, Git, and Vercel to put your app live. So that's the difference between Lovable and Claude Code. If you, as said, haven't ever heard of programming or any of these terms like GitHub, then probably Lovable is for you. And you can just try it out by clicking on the link down below. It's for free, and it basically works like you put in anything you want to build, for example, a fitness tracker or a calorie tracker. And I did this in another tutorial. So I just said, build me a modern calorie tracking app similar to MyFitnessPal. And it started building me this for a couple of credits, and it directly built the interface, and it's already working. So I can upload a picture here. So from my library, I can just take a picture from, let's say, this from this avocado toast here, and it will directly give me the calories, the protein, the carbs, and the fat, and then I can save it, and it is deducted from my daily calorie intake. So this app was built with just one prompt. I didn't need to code, I didn't need to design anything or drag and drop any elements. I just told the AI, hey, build me a calorie tracker. 4 minutes and 49 seconds, this app was built. And then I asked it, hey, build me a landing page for this, and it directly built me the homepage so I can start selling this app. So this is the power of a no-code app builder. You don't need to know how to code with Lovable. You can just start talking to the AI and it does the heavy lifting for you, and you can create apps and websites mainly. The easy route is Lovable, and the more professional and complicated route is Claude Code. And as said, if you want to try it out, you will find the link to both down in the video description. Thank you if you used my links. And now if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, but I'm done here. I hope this helped. And if you want to try out Lovable and have a step-by-step tutorial, I will show you this in this video. And now have a good one. See you there. Bye.